Hello all, welcome to Shri Purnima Jyoti here. So we are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with different types of sarees and dress materials. Okay. So shipping charges is extra for all my products. COD available for all my products across India. COD processing charge is 100 rupees. You have to calculate extra to the product and the shipping charge. So the total cost will be the total product cost plus total shipping charges plus 100 for CODs. For shipping for normal prepaid orders, just the product cost plus shipping charges. Okay. So today I have brought up some exclusive collections on Kota Doria sarees. Okay, it's all some 6 sarees on Kota Doria and some 3 sarees on Kota cotton silk sarees. Okay. The quality will be awesome. Okay, the design and everything will be very good. The fabric, it's Kota Doria, you will be known, it will be very soft, very delicate and also very premium. Okay, I will go with the sarees now. If there is any video blurring, just let me know. Okay, sometimes we are experiencing some network issues recently, so if there is any video blur, kindly let me know. Okay, so this is the first one. It's the fabric is Kota Doria. Okay, so this is the design you will be having in the body part. Okay, you have a gray and black combination here. Okay, so you can see the fabric. Okay, hope you can able to see the fabric. Okay, you have a tussar color border here and you have the gray and black together. Okay, this is the color of the saree. All over the saree you have the same kind of a design, and I will show you the pallu. So this is the pallu. Okay, a very premium quality. This is the pallu, and you have the blouse piece like this. Okay, a brocade kind of a thing. Okay, the blouse comes with the color of the pallu and the borders. Okay, so this is the blouse piece and you have the saree like this. These sarees, so price is 1700. Okay, the fabric will be very soft and delicate. Okay, so this is the first saree. It's a grayish black color. Price is 1700. Shipping charges is extra. I will show you the body part again. So this is how the body will be looking. The fabric is Kota Doria. So this is the full look of the saree. Okay, so for all the orders and enquiries, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. I have mentioned all the details, the product, fabric, price, and also the WhatsApp number in the description, so you can always refer to that as well. So the next one is a zigzag pattern. Okay, the design is like this. In sky blue color, a very lovely color. So this is the body part. You have the zigzag pattern here. Okay, so the fabric is Kota Doria. You can see the fabric here. Okay, hope you can able to see the fabric. I will give you the closer look as well. Okay, so this is how the fabric will be. Okay, it in the single layer it will be a little transparent, but it gives you a very rich look however you drape it. Okay, so this is the body part and you have the pallu like this and the blouse piece same like the pallu. So this is the next one. These sarees, so price is 1700. The quality will be very good. The fabric, you can wear it anytime, how much time you want. Okay, the fabric will be very nice. So this is the look of the body part. Okay, I will show you the full look of the saree. Okay, so this is the pallu and this is the body part. The blouse comes same like the pallu. Okay, so please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870 for orders and enquiries. All my collections are listed in my WhatsApp catalog. So the same design, we have it in pink color. So the design is same as like the previous blue color. Okay, just the color is different. It's a pink color now. Price is 1700, 1700, and this is the pallu and you have the blouse piece same like the pallu. Okay, So this is the full look of the saree. So for more images or more details, you can always ping me on my WhatsApp number. So the next one, you have the design like this, okay? You can, just a minute. So this is how the fabric will be looking, okay? So this is the body part, a black color saree with full floral designs, and the pallu with small mango designs, weave, and the blouse piece same like the pallu. Okay, so this is how the pallu will be looking, and the blouse piece and the saree. Okay, these sarees are all priced at 1700, 1700. So it's a black color one. Okay, lovely designs, lovely fabric. Okay, quality will be very good. So this is the next one. It's a peach shade. So this is the body part. Okay, you have the diagonal design here. Okay, along with some floral buttas coming. Okay, all of them are weaved. Okay, it's not all the designs are weaved. Okay, so hope you can able to see the designs here. Okay, everything is woven. And this is the pallu. And the blouse piece will be like this. Okay, the fabric is Kota Doria, price is 1700. Shipping extra. Shipping charges 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available for all the products. COD processing charges 100 rupees. You have to calculate extra to the product and the shipping cost. So this is the full look of the saree. You have the diagonal design here. Okay, with small floral buttas coming. Okay, all of them woven. So the same design we have in dark pink shade. Okay, it's a very dark pink. It's not red. Okay, it's a dark pink. In the photo, in the image, in the video, you will be getting the color as red only because it's very dark pink shade. Okay, the same design. It's in the different color. This is how the saree will be looking. It's not red, guys. It's dark pink. So this is the pallu part, and you have the blouse piece like this. Okay, it might look very simple, but when you wear it, it will be giving you a very rich look. Okay, the fabric is also very nice, very soft, comfortable to wear. So this is the full look of the saree. Okay, it's a dark pink shade, not red color. Okay, it's very dark pink shade. So these are the sarees we have in Kota Doria, price at 1700. Now we have some collections on Kota cotton silk. Okay, the fabric will be very shiny. Okay, it's a cotton silk, so a little stretchiness will be there. Okay, but the quality will give you a very shiny look. So this is the first one. You have a peach color again coming with kanchi styled border in one end, and the other end you have a very small border. Price is 750. So this is the body part. It's a Kota cotton silk. Okay, a little stuffiness is there, but when as like the cotton silk it will be. Okay, so a little stiffness will be there, but you can, when you pleat it, it will be alike. Okay, it won't move and all. It will blend nicely, but a little stiffness will be there, a very little. Okay, so this is the body part. A full body, you have the plain body with the border. Okay, one side you have a bigger border with kanchi styled buttas, and the other end you have this tiny border, and you have a chick kind of a pallu here, a pink combination. Okay, and the blouse piece contrast pink shade. Okay, so this is the first one. Price is 750, 750. Please take the screenshot for all the orders and enquiries. This is a peach color. gives a very shiny look as well. Okay, a simple function wear collection. So the next one is a pink with green combination, a different combination, and also the design is very different. Okay, very lovely. So this is the design you get in the border. Lightweight sarees. Okay, it won't, all the sarees are very lightweight. So this is how the body part will be looking. It's a dark pink color. Okay, purplish pink color with green color border. Okay, these borders are also woven. Hope you can able to see the weaving here. And this is the pallu part, a simple chit pallu coming in green color, and the blouse piece comes in the green color. So this is how the saree will be looking. The price is 750. Shipping is extra. Shipping charges 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. So please take the screenshots and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. I have mentioned the description field. Okay, the price detail, the fabric detail, and my WhatsApp number, my WhatsApp direct link, everything is mentioned in the description. So kindly refer to that. So this is the last saree. It's a golden color. Simple but very lovely color shade and design. Okay, so this is how the saree will be looking. A very simple saree with goldenish color. Okay. So this is the border you have. Okay. So the Tilakam design and also the mango design coming. Okay, a simple border. Okay, thread border, and the pallu part, a pink pallu, golden with pink combination, and the blouse piece, it's a pink color but you have a little stripes here. So this is the saree, how it will be looking. Okay, so it's a golden color with pink combination. The fabric is Kota cotton silk. Okay, a very lightweight fabric. Okay, that gives you a very rich look. Price is 750. Shipping is extra. So shipping charges 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. For all the orders, we have the COD option. COD processing charges 100 rupees. You have to calculate extra to the total product cost and the total shipping charges. So this is how the sarees will be looking. So for more images or for more details if you want, so always ping with me. Okay, we will be giving you all the details you want. So thanks for watching. Please like my page for more DL updates and the follow-ups. Okay, so thanks for watching. Keep shopping with us. Have a good day. Have a great weekend. Thank you. Bye bye.